Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the title, it's time to replace the dash on this truck. In the last few years, out of nowhere, it decided to just start cracking. It didn't look this bad at all, like I said a few years ago. And then we got one here, going there. Everything's just falling apart. So I got wind of a new dash. From who? TEMU, of all places. First purchase ever from them. And it was only $140 shipped to my door. Brand new. It's not a cover. It's a replacement. We'll get it out and open. It's nice, hard, brand new plastic. On Marketplace, people want ridiculous money for a factory good dash, the cover, the top piece. Out here in Central Florida, they're asking from anywhere to $200 to $300 for a factory good one that might not even be mint. I even see them go as high as $500. I mean, come on. Some people are just out to make some money and just take advantage. So we'll get this out of the package real quick, and then we'll take a look at it. It also comes with 2 brand new AC vents. Here, let's go ahead and go in here. It also comes with the 2 vents for right here. And I also want to give a shout out to this installation. It is really doing its job. It's Tuesday, the 11th, and here in Central Florida, it got down to 36 degrees this morning, and the shop never got below 70, never turned the heaters on or anything. So definitely insulate your building, seal it up the best you can, because it makes a world of difference. In the summer it does, and even in the winter. So let's go ahead and get that out of its packaging, and then we'll start taking that one out. Yeah, that looks good. Looks just like a factory one. Nice hard plastic. All right, let me get that set back down. Yeah. All right, so now we need to go ahead and get this open. Get both sides opened up. We'll get the camera set on one side or the other, depending on what side I'm working on. It's time to get this thing painted. Soon I want to do another fresh coat of blue. Same paint, but I want to do some kind of graphics, go down like that. Then maybe it spreads out through the handle and down the gas tank, and then it skips, and then maybe go right back out. But we'll see. I got a lot of little stuff I want to take care of. I want to get this interior cleaned up some more. And seats are getting looking worn. It needs new carpet. Maybe get some interior done. Maybe get some door panels. I don't know. We'll see. But let's go ahead and get this broken and brittle dash cover out. First thing we gotta do is pull that bezel, and then we'll start taking out all the screws. Shouldn't take long. soon as I got it out, set it down, turned the camera off, it broke the rest of the way. It needed replaced. I'm glad I found the replacement. I went ahead and put the clips on a second ago. That go right there. There's 3 of them. I now need to pull out the vent on each side and slap it in that one. Online, they have all the colors. They have dark gray. They have like a dark navy blue, deep blue. Maybe that's for, I don't know, police vehicles, county vehicles, I'm not sure. They have light gray and I think dark gray. Or brown, I don't know. Not dark gray. They have that tan one as well. All right, let's go ahead and change those vents out and get that new, crisp, clean dash cover in. I went ahead and ran down to the hardware store and got some felt because they didn't have foam sheets. So I went ahead and got some felt. This felt's like a 1/4 inch thick. And I just wanted to match what was similar to what was on the factory. They have these little foam pieces. And what those do is your factory defrost is right here to defrost for that mirror so you can see when it's cold or whatnot. And that foam helps keep it from escaping out of here, because you can see right here, this little tab in this keeps it off about 1/4. I checked it prior to cutting and everything. I set it here and it's perfectly flush there. So it'll fill that gap wonderfully. So let's go ahead and get it in. It's in and looks good. Exact same color. These two. This door looks a little faded, that panel piece, because I put in a console. So that piece looks a little, that's the only one that looks faded. I might be able to treat it. But not brittle, hard plastic, just like OEM. I like it. I had to change out that sensor. I pulled it back out because it was easier to put that in the dash outside of the vehicle. So all I gotta do now, all we have to do left is put in some screws. is all done and looking good. For the price, you definitely can't beat it. And I'll be able to definitely tell you how it stands up because I'm in Florida, Central Florida. So it'll get a beating. It's nice hard plastic. Like I said, it feels like stock. Everything lined up. I will recommend getting those 2 screws in first above the clusters because I had all these in and it needed to slide that way like a 1/16 of an inch. So definitely put all your screws in loose, but just a little bit of stretch. Maybe it flexed from being in that box for however long. It comes from Texas and it came to Florida, so maybe that little bit of heat manipulated it a little bit. But I'm very happy with it compared to old Cracky here. It's in 3 pieces now, at least 2. There's 1. But I'll throw this in that box, it'll get thrown in the trash. The only other thing I did notice, if you wanted the factory vent color, it does look like they're a hair off. These are more gray, which doesn't bother me. I'm okay with it. Those are new vents. One of mine wasn't working right, and after taking these apart, you can see why. One of the little doohickeys that slide it like this broke off. So I needed that as well. But like I said, that was annoying. It looked like crap and didn't last. So it's all done, ready to go. I'm not sure what I'm doing with the interior, but I do want to do something with this interior. I need to vacuum it out and wipe it down. I do daily drive this. Take it to the dump to get dirt, take it off-roading when it's wet, muddy, it doesn't matter. I drive it because it's a truck. But again, dash looks really good. I need to get a new one of these as the paint's chipping and it looks like there's a crack there. But overall, again, I will say I'm pleased. This truck needs painted. It's got its wear and tear for however old the paint job is. It faded up here. When building it, we taped it off to do the bed liner and it just came up. So that'll have to get painted. Go ahead and take this light out. Next thing I want to do, big time. I don't know how many of y'all have knocked it out, but I need to get that headliner done. It has never been done, and it's time. All right, I got that off TEMU. Go find it, $140. I'll see you on the next one, everyone. Thanks for watching.